Hello, viewers. This is still Vicky CY from G Niger TV. We are here at the Citadel, and I have our vice chair here that I really want us to meet. Can we meet you, sir?
Yes, thank you. My name is Architect Abiodun Fatui. I am the Vice Chairman of Nigerian Institute of Architects, Lagos State Chapter, and the Chairman Organizing Committee for the Lagos Architects Forum 2022. Yeah.
So, sir, how's the event been so far?
It's been hugely successful. We thank God, number one, for His grace and His help throughout the planning and the actual event. All our speakers came in and they did a great job in delivering impactful and knowledgeable papers and keynote speeches, which I'm sure every attendee would must have taken something home. Yes.
So, sir, back to the Citadel. I would really want us to talk about the Citadel. What do you think about the construction of the building?
First of all, I would like to talk about the design, and I will say that it's a fantastic, um, innovative design. It's a modern building, and the architect behind it, I learned, is architect Michael Adubamau, who happened to lecture me in University of Lagos. I am inspired by this, and I'm happy to have been a student and to be in this building in his lifetime. It's a great achievement. Going into the building, I see that the spaces are properly arranged. I see that the location of the building itself, looking at the topography and the arrangements, it's just awesome. The fenestrations bring in daylighting. Um, you see that there's a lot of ecological, sustainable um, thoughts that went into the design. And nowadays we have to start looking at how we can make our buildings eco-friendly. This is a building that uses a large building that, and the designer has thought about the future of the building and how the building will run. I say kudos once again to I think his name is IAA Associates, Architect Michael Adebomao, Professor Michael Adebomao. Yes.
All right, you've all heard from our vice chairman. Thank you so much to really have you here, sir.
So for the main auditorium, it has its own chiller system separate from the chiller system for the multi-purpose hall. That's why we're not using this building. We're saving power. Yeah.
So just
Power
keep it.
supply. Power supply. For power supply, we have four transformers for now. Step down transformers, because of the size of the building, we take directly from 33 kV lines, step it down to 11 for 1 5 years.
Any clean energy
Generators, solar.
We are still working on that. The building opened.
right now, everything is fossil.
Yes.
Well,
Let's take this one. Because it's going to the power. Hello? Sorry.
Just go ahead.
No, don't worry. It's okay. Yeah. So for the building was opened in October 2020, like you said, that was during COVID-19 period. And because of COVID-19 itself, we've not been able to maximize profit generation capacity or potential for this facility. That has led to delayed a lot of things that should have come up by now, such as the sustainable energy, like you said. We do plan on having a solar power system that's going to power the admin section, the office spaces, because we're not going to have much power requirements. Then we're going to pair that like hybrid energy generation with the power from the mains and the generators. For now, we have an installed generating capacity of about 3,000 megawatts. Then low load capacity, when you have little load, we have a smaller generator about 315 kVA. Then power from the mains, of course, like I said, 3,000 kVA directly. For things that require 11,000 generation, they take from that's why we have different stages of step down. We have from 30 to 11,000 for this equipment like the chiller that requires 11,000 setup. Then to 415 for ceiling cassette units and broadcast equipment units, example.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have a question. How do you deal with your water supply, and then your sewage management?
We have tertiary sewage treatment plants. Yes, we do have one here. If we are able to, I will give you a tour of the place.
With cesspools?
Yeah, with cesspools, no, we discharge directly. Since it's tertiary, we can discharge directly. We don't really need that. Cesspools, everything pours takes directly to the. They're just chambers taking directly to the septic tank. It's on the lowest part of the building. That's why you don't really need cesspools. Then that's for sewage. Then for water generation, we have two boreholes. There used to be three, but now there are two.
One is on sabbatical.
Why did you stop? Did you stop it or it's just
So we have two for now, yes ma'am. We have two for now. Both of them active. With the sewage treatment or water treatment plant, of course, a standard one. We also have firefighting equipment, standard with sprinkler systems, as you can see, smoke detections, fire alarms, water sprinklers, smoke detections, and fire alarms as well. Active, yes, active, definitely active.
There was a church in Abuja that had these things physically, but the church was because it was not active at the time.
We run tests on them.
It was,
Yes, we run tests on them. They're active. Yeah, you have one or two sprinklers or equipment that are not working, but the system itself, it powers on, it works, and can pump water.
So if you identify the ones that are not working, why don't you just fix them?
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
yeah.
So do you have fire drills?
Yeah, we have.
Especially when you have a full house.
We actually have one planned. We're just finalizing that process. We have a fire drill coming up. Still waiting for approval. We're discussing with the Lagos State government to actually have them around here doing that. So yes, we do like
That will be the first or the first for the
for
next
this year actually.
for this year.
For this
Okay.
year.
You've done it before.
I am new here, so I cannot really.
You wouldn't
but
really
I
know.
wouldn't really know.
I didn't know if James Cubics. I thought they were architects. Not
Oh, okay,
This is
This is the FM version.
yeah. No, James Cubic is not here.
You have provision for PWDs on this your 30. Persons
You will not go
with
into
disabilities.
details
Round,
of the
yes.
yeah.
Not necessarily just round, perhaps maybe the elevators. Yeah.
We can come in through that route.
Vis-a-vis.
So we don't. For now, we have the CCTV system separate from the civilian guards. We take direct charge of that. So we don't have when something happens that someone is trying to cover it up. So we are directly in charge of CCTV, but then we have civilian guards who maintain security and civil aid everywhere around the facility. We only when we have occasions, that's when we bring in armed security. So for Sunday service, for instance, we're going to have mobile police officers here, we're going to have federal road safety officials here as well. So like I said, even till now, we still operate, we still, you see the spacing of the chairs, we're still trying to keep this social distance thing. So that's why it's still operating within its capacity.
How about security against forceful invasion?
More action.
We have a protocol for that, which is not really.
No, but do you have something? I'm not saying you tell us, give us details so that we know that churches are targets.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
We have a bomb protection system. We do have one here.
Yeah, that's all
if
we
you
need.
get it,
You know what's the one? You don't tell us why
and if I want to look at them, I will be sure that I am safe to some extent.
That's it. That's all.
Sorry,
That's where you want to be.
we do it once before and after Sunday services.
Hey,
It's really good going to this thing, but then I want to have an idea that, oh, if I go to church and I'm not going to be grown up.
That's why we actually have on Sundays, not just Sundays, when we have events, even if it's for this case, we always have extra security. Double what we have
That's
now.
fine.
Training.
Yeah, you have to secure
I'm architect Olayinka Ajewale by name. I work with Ama Designs Limited. Professor Adebomowo Michael is my principal and is a designer of the building we are standing behind right now. Yes. In summary, the building is an ultramodern city center, worship center that encompasses facilities that will address human needs for both souls, and body. So we have the commercial center, we have the worship center, the main auditorium, the multipurpose hall. We have offices, we have the shops, we have parkings, basement area, the sewage treatment plants, the water treatment plant, the firefighting. It's also an international standard building. So, welcome to Citadel.
And it will be when
Yeah, but it's not to do for it's gonna be 50.
maybe when the next
As at when this building was conceived,
It was 30 years in ministry, I think that's maybe that is it. Maybe that's what wrap the story that and this came up when at least 30 years.
our time is not over.
Yeah, we know. No, we're not tired. We're not tired.
So, for Sunday service, you access the referral for this place. Yeah, these are motion detectors like those.
Oh, the doors are
Two of them, one on this side.
So this is going to be here for how long? They change the
Yeah, it's changeable. For now, that's what we have. So these are all areas for taking pictures, things like that. That's why we have it. So now we want to view what the auditorium itself looks like. Very satisfying.
Wow. No way.
people are still
Lovely.
observing homes.
Very nice.
So, Anissa, do you see why those
My name is Lanre Olushola. I am Director at Large for AIA International. I'm also the Chair of International Affairs for NIA, Nigerian Institute of Architects.
Okay, I had to correct myself. He's our great editor and also our chairman for international affairs. Okay, so we just really want you to quickly talk about your observation about the Citadel on 2 minutes.
Citadel is a place that connects Nigeria to the rest of the world as far as built environment is concerned. We've spent about an hour going through the entire complex, and we have seen that it is possible to attain excellence in the built environment, even in our climb. So there's not too much to say about Citadel than to say thank you to the citadel for bringing Nigeria into the map of the world as far as the built environment is concerned.
Thank you so much, sir. And it's also great and good to have you so far for Yeah, we are here at Citadel. It has been a great journey so far from the Lagos Architect Forum LAF 13.0. Honestly, it was wonderful and interesting, and I really learned a lot about that forum. So we have someone here I really want us to meet. So can we meet you?
So thank you very much for inviting me. My name is Daniel. I'm from Germany. I'm a wooden engineer presenting German brands and fittings, especially in the construction industry, fittings manufacturer. Also, we are doing a lot for architects in Germany, especially Europe, worldwide, and also we are setting here in Nigeria. I joined this exhibition. I was impressed. We got really a lot of new ideas, also contacts. Was able to spread a little bit from our knowledge. We got many people, many architects who are interested in fittings and architectural hardware, of course. I appreciate that, and I see this interest in our German engineering, and we have really a long experience in this one. Just the what we say the last event what we had here in the Citadel, I was impressed. Number one, from the design and from the style, what Nigerians and Nigerian architects are already able to do on ground. So it's impressive. Number two, of course, I find a lot of our fittings inside.
Okay.
So I was happy because I didn't know that they are really using it. And no, it's really nice to be here. I see a lot of achievement and increase of engineering in the last 5 years. I'm here like 7 years, and we are guiding several projects, side projects in Lagos, and yeah, that is our.
So thank you for joining us with G Niger TV, and it's good to have you guys with us. Peace out.